Zealand, Denmark's largest island, is a captivating destination that offers a diverse range of experiences. With a blend of vibrant cities, charming coastal towns, and picturesque countryside, Zealand has something for every traveler. Explore the vibrant capital, Copenhagen, with its iconic Nyhavn harbor and world-class museums. Venture outside the city to discover tranquil beaches, rolling hills, and idyllic villages. Immerse yourself in history at Kronborg Castle, the inspiration for Shakespeare's Hamlet, or delve into Viking heritage at the National Museum of Denmark. Whether indulging in culinary delights, enjoying outdoor adventures, or soaking up cultural treasures, Zealand promises an unforgettable journey through Danish charm and beauty. Top 10 places to visit in Zealand. 1. Copenhagen. Explore the vibrant capital city, known for its charming canals, iconic sites like the Little Mermaid statue, Tivoli Gardens, and the historical and cultural treasures of Nyhavn. 2. Roskilde. Visit the UNESCO-listed Roskilde Cathedral, a stunning Gothic masterpiece, and the Viking Ship Museum, where you can see preserved Viking ships and learn about their seafaring history. 3. Helsingør. Discover the majestic Kronborg Castle, famously known as Helsingør in Shakespeare's Hamlet, and enjoy panoramic views of the Riviera Strait. 4. Hillerød. Explore Frederiksborg Castle, a magnificent Renaissance palace surrounded by stunning gardens and home to the Museum of National History. 5. Mn. Visit the picturesque island of Mn and witness the breathtaking white cliffs of Stevns Klint, offering scenic hiking trails and stunning views over the Baltic Sea. 6. Zealand's Riviera. Experience the coastal towns of Holbæk, Hillerød, and Tisvildelage, known for their beautiful sandy beaches, charming atmosphere, and seaside relaxation. 7. Stevns Klint. Discover the dramatic UNESCO-listed Stevns Klint cliffs, revealing 65 million years of Earth's history, including the KT boundary marking the extinction of dinosaurs. 8. Skagen. Visit the northernmost town in Denmark, famous for its unique light that has attracted artists for centuries. Enjoy the picturesque coastal scenery, visit art museums, and see the Greenland, where the North Sea and the Baltic Sea meet. 9. Holbæk. Visit the idyllic town of Holbæk, known for its cozy harbor, historic buildings, and scenic fjord views. 10. Kronborg Slotshave. Stroll through the beautiful gardens surrounding Kronborg Castle in Helsingør, featuring intricate parterres, sculptures, and tranquil green spaces. These top 10 destinations in Zealand offer a combination of history, natural beauty, cultural experiences, and charming coastal towns, providing a well-rounded exploration of the island's highlights. Nearby places in Zealand. 1. Frederiksborg Castle, located in Hillerød, just north of Copenhagen. This stunning Renaissance castle is surrounded by beautiful gardens and houses the Museum of National History, showcasing Danish history and art. 2. Louisiana Museum of Modern Art, situated in Holbæk, north of Copenhagen. This renowned museum exhibits a remarkable collection of modern and contemporary art. It also boasts a beautiful sculpture garden and panoramic views of the Riviera Strait. 3. Helsingborg, Sweden, just a short ferry ride across the Riviera Strait from Helsingør. This charming Swedish town offers picturesque streets, a medieval fortress, and stunning views of the strait and the Danish coast. 4. Odense, located on the island of Funen, south of Zealand. Odense is the birthplace of renowned Danish author Hans Christian Andersen. Explore his childhood home, visit the captivating Odense Zoo, and wander through the charming streets of the city center. 5. Malmö, Sweden. Connected to Copenhagen by the Riviera Bridge, Malmö is a vibrant Swedish city with modern architecture, historic sites, and cultural attractions. Visit the striking turning Torso skyscraper and explore the charming old town. 6. Kronborg Castle, just across the water in Helsingør. Kronborg Castle is a must-visit. Explore the impressive fortress, immerse yourself in the rich history of Hamlet, and enjoy panoramic views of the Riviera Strait. 7. Skagen, Sweden. The southernmost region of Sweden, Skagen offers picturesque landscapes, charming towns, and beautiful beaches. Discover the historic city of Lund, the coastal town of Ystad, or the stunning Østland countryside. These nearby destinations provide a range of cultural, historical, and natural attractions that can easily be visited from Zealand and Denmark. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.